Today, we'll be taking a look at the pump discharge hose on this Whirlpool top-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Now that we've accessed the bottom of the unit, we have clear access to the pump discharge hose here. That goes from your drain pump out to the back, and this is where you would hook your other drain pump line onto. The main reason why you'd be replacing this hose is if it is leaking. So if you tip it back and see that you have a hole in the line, it will need to be replaced. Now, to replace it, we're going to start by removing the clamp here. Move it around, push it up till you get to those splines, and then usually you can start to twist it and remove it from the actual drain pump itself. Now, as you can see, sometimes water will fall out of there. Make sure you have a towel down. Then on the back, we have 1/4 inch screw that have to be taken out. Then on the back, you'll use something to press in on the locking clip. I'm gonna use a pair of pliers, go in, pinch it, slide it out from the inside, and set it to the side. When installing your new hose, we're going to start with the clamp on it. And then let's push in the outside portion first. You will bring in the bottom, swing it in, and clip it into place. Let's reinstall the 1/4 inch screw. And finally, let's reconnect the hose, followed by your clamp. Make sure it goes to the very bottom of it, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.